How to view locked profile pictures on Facebook on PC. So if you want to view locked profile pictures on Facebook on your PC, then first you need to open up your browser and go with your Facebook and make sure that you're logged into your Facebook. Now you need to go with search and then search for the person whose profile is locked. Now as you can see that this profile is locked, right? So if you want to see this profile picture, then just simply click on the profile picture, right click on it and then go with open image in new tab. Once you open the image in a new tab, then you just need to simply go with a new tab, and here you can zoom that image or just right click on it, save the image. I'll just simply save the image. Once you've saved, you need to go with the image which is on the upper right, the downloaded image, and now you can zoom it. So that's how you can see the profile picture, or that's how you can view the locked profile picture on Facebook on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.